Lizzie says, Neil, there is a big difference between, in search volume estimates, between Helium 10, Unicorn Smasher, Jungle Scout, Merchant Words, all of the different pieces of software that you can get out there that purport to give you the sales data that you can expect to make on Amazon. All right, so they've got vastly different results. So Helium 10 might say for one ASIN you can make $10,000 a month. Jungle Scout may say for the same ASIN you can make $20,000 a month. Unicorn Smasher Pro for the same ASIN may say you can make $30,000 a month. What the hell's going on? Well, what's going on is that they all are guessing. They're all guessing. Now, they will tell you that their data is the best, and they're never ever going to say that they are guessing. What they say instead is in fine print underneath somewhere, you know, in light grey text, that these are estimates only. They're estimates only. So here's what's happening. Everybody uses the same data points to collate information to then spit out an estimate of the total search volume and total sales revenue for any given ASIN. Everybody uses the same shit. Everybody uses the same data point. So there's one data point that you can get from what's called AWS Developer Console. So Amazon Web Services Developer Console. You can get one data point from there. Everybody also uses Bing as well. Google, they use that too. And on and on and on and on and on, all right? It's the way that they weight each thing that then leads to disparity in revenue projections. That's what's going on. Let me tell you, Amazon does not release that information. Does not really. Could you imagine if they did? It'd be an absolute free-for-all. Nobody would be safe. Their business would be ruined. Amazon does not release that information. There is a way you can get it, but you have to get it retrospectively. And I don't want to cover that right now because it's crazy advanced shit. So you can get it retrospectively, but you can't get foresight. You can't predict the future with regards to revenue. All you can do is have a pretty bloody good guess, and that leads to disparity between these pieces of software. Everybody will tell you they've got the best, but between you and me, everybody is guessing at what it is. Nobody knows for sure. It's all bullshit. Now I'm going to be like the most hated person in my community for saying all that, and I'll get folks emailing me saying, "Oh, how could you say that, Neil? You've just killed that business." But it's all true. Everything I'm telling you is true. So I hope that helps, Lizzie. For me and my money, you already know what I prefer. I like Merchant Words. I like it because it just gives you what you need. And for me, it doesn't give me the amount of revenue I can expect to make because I don't use that. I just look at the amount of searches, and then from that, I extrapolate out. That's what I do. And you already know that because you've seen my strategy put together. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon. that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.